Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about the pan under cursor tool. So pan speed changes relative to the cursor hit point. Okay, so what is a pan? Okay, that's the question. So if I hold space bar and I click and I drag to the left, actually I drag to the right, I'm panning to the left. If I click and drag to the left, I'm panning to the right. So that's called a pan. So when you move the camera left or right, that's called a pan. Okay, that's a video terminology or video production terminology. When I worked as a video engineer, sometimes I would be calling cameras and I would tell the camera person, pan left, pan right, okay? Follow stage left, stage right, okay? Because in production, in TV, in business meetings, whatever you want to call it, the audiovisual business, those are the terminologies that they use when they're calling the shots, okay? And what I mean by shots is camera shots, okay? Zoom in tight, zoom out, etc., okay? So like that, that'd be a zoom in. Get a headshot, etc. But when we're talking about pan, we're literally doing this. We're going left, we're going right, that's pan. Okay, now I don't believe, okay, they have dolly, which is the next tool. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.